Hello, welcome to my channel, Aha Korean Lessons with Moonsem. Today I'm gonna talk about the combined vowels and double consonant. This part could be almost final for the pronunciation course. And then after you finish this course, you will be able to read and say 99% of the syllable. Unbelievable progress, actually. So let's get started. Combined vowel means the basic vowels are combined together and then they produce combined sound. So since you know the each sound of vowels, so it doesn't matter. Okay, you can combine the two sound and produce the correct sound. So let's go to the combined vowels first. Okay, let me show you the list of combined vowels. For example, this one, we. So this vowel is combined like U plus E. Circle disappeared. So the sound will be we. So in short, we. So for example, this is the syllable 구, 그, and then this will be 귀, ear. The next one, this shape. So if you look closely, then U plus O. U, O. O will be combined here, will be put here, O, like this. So the sound will be combined. Uo, wo. And then bottom consonant will be added. Real, wall. This is wall. Wo, wall. Make sense? How about that? O plus A. So O and then A. Circle also disappeared and then will be here like this. Oa. Oa. Wa. Okay, one syllable. Wa. This is wa and then bottom consonant will be added. Then so wang. Wang. So since you know the basic vowels and its sound, you can produce also combined vowels and sound. Easy? Yeah. Next one. Yeah. E plus E. Remember this E minus 11 vowel? E. Yeah. So, yeah. Can you read these syllables? This one, yeah, 절. 예절. 예절. How about that? This one, E. And this E, I said these two are very similar sound. So these two also become very same. Yeah, 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 yeah. So this sound also like this. Yeah, 얘기, 얘기. This vowel is very rare actually. So maybe one or two vocabularies. How about this? If you look closely, then you can identify some combined vowels. Like this one, O, and then E. O, E. So, O and E. Remember? H. Oe. Oe. Weo. We. Weo. Why? Next. Can you see two different vowels here? Yes. This one, U, and this one, E. U plus E. So, the final sound will be same. So, we, this is we, wedding, wedding ceremony, wedding. So try to understand first the combination of these two vowels and then you can produce the sound. These two, yeah, we have already, you learned these two vowels. So, H minus 11. Of course, it is said this E is grammatically actually, people say A plus E, but the sound is not. It's grammatically the letter it consists of these two elements. A is A plus E, but the sound is not combined. So that's why I just put this description, single sound. Even the two vowels are combined in a shape wise, but sound is single. Same, this one is said O plus E. O plus E. This is a. We say O plus E. The same principle, just single sound. So this is I, this is oi. Okay? I, oi. But some people call this one H, A, minus 11, A. Either way, okay, it's okay. So, but the sound is almost similar. A, A. And one more single sound vowel actually, this one. We. This is we, we. Also, grammatically, the shape-wise, this is combined vowel plus O plus E, right? OE. But it's not sound like OE, no. Okay? It's just we, single sound. Even though the shape is combined, two shape combined, but the sound is one. So, we, 외국, 외국. Yeah. It's kind of summary. These two vowels, e. And these three combined vowels, we. Yeah. Even though the shape look different, but sound is almost same. 돼지, 돼지. 외투, wedding, same way. These two, yeah. I introduce also these two vowels. This is 예, 예. So these are all the vowels in Korean. Simple sound vowels is a basic vowel. Remember? And the lesson 1, you learn these basic vowels like a, o, u, e. And then e, and this one, we. A single sound vowels. Combined sound vowels. Ya, e plus a, ya, io, io, you. These four is belong to basic vowels, and these are combined vowels. Okay. This one plus e, so it becomes e, like this. How do you pronounce this one? Ui, ui, ui. Ui is really hard to pronounce this vowel. So these are all the vowels in Korean. How many? 9 and then 12. So 9 plus 12 is almost equal 21. Okay, vowel sound. 21. So if you can pronounce those vowels, then consonant could be combined, okay, with these vowels. Then you can pronounce the syllables, okay, without any difficulties. For example, yeah, the combined vowels, right? 에, 와, 에, 위, 워. And then this one, the consonant. Remember? Yeah. 그, 느, 드, 르, 무. Yeah. This syllable. 그에, 개. 그와, 과. This is 과. 괴, 왜, 괴, 괴. This one. 위. So 귀, 귀. 워. 구워, 궈, 궈. 개, 과, 괴. This is 개, 괴. A little different. 귀, 위, 궈, 궈. The same manner. Okay. 느, 내, 놔, 뇌, 뉘, 뉘, 뉘. 누워, 누워, 누워. didn't, 대, 둬, 돼, 뒤, 둬. 대, 둬, 돼, 뒤, 둬. That kind of, like that. This one, L, 레, 놔, hard. 레, lui, loir. M, me, moi, me, mi, moi, moi. So yellow font word like this one and yellow font. It's rarely used, so you don't have to focus on this syllable at this moment. It's really hard to pronounce. So focus on this white font. Here, right. Some, 에, 와, 왜, 위, 워. Beaker, split, ring, junction. So, 배, 화, 배, 비, 부어, 부어. 세, 쏴, 쇠, 쉬, 소. Like that. 에, 와, 에, 위, 워. 제, 좌, 죄, 쥐, 줘. Okay. As I said, the yellow font, this one, and then this one, yeah, it's rarely used. It's hard to pronounce, of course. Next table, the consonant, church, key, triple, pillar, hat. So, 치, 채, 촤, 최, 취, 초. 크, 캐, 콰, 쾌, 퀴, 코, 트, 태, 튀, 퇴, 튀, 투, like that. Okay. 폐, 화, 폐, 피, 포. 해, 화, 회, 휘, 호. So elephant word also, yeah, it's rarely used, this kind of syllable. But theoretically, this is a formation of syllable. And then, of course, we can try to pronounce those syllables. But some syllables are very hard to pronounce. So that's why the Korean people avoid those letters, which is rarely used in our lives. Okay, then let's do more practice, the reading practice about the combined vowel. Okay, so first you need to locate where the combined vowel is. For example, this word, 광고. Here, this word, O plus A. O plus A, combined vowel, right? So how do you read that one? 광고, 광고, like that. 광고. How about this? Okay, these two. So 우 plus 어, right? 워. So 권투. Boxing. Yeah, these are combined vowels. So you can see, oh, this is U plus E, right? U plus E. So we. So 귀신. The ghost. 귀신. That one. O plus A, right? So 와. 좌석. Same as this. So we hum. Danger. How about this? Same as this. 왕. O plus A. 왕. Okay. This one is combined vowel, but the sound is single. So it has an exception. So it's a 왜. Always 왜. Okay. So 왼쪽. This one, 화산. Okay, volcano. Understood? Okay, let's move on to another one. This is fixed one. 최고. 왜? 최고. But this one combined sound. So 취미. hobby. U plus E, right? So T, this is a T sound. So 튀김, 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 튀김. O plus R, 화. So H sound, this one. Hat. So 활, 활, 활. Next, 정, U plus O, right? U plus O. 워, 정원, 정원, 정원. Okay, 정원. Same combined vowel as this. 월급, 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 월급. 영화, 화, 화, combined vowel. This is same as 화면, 화면, 화면. Screen. 영광, 영광, 광, 와, 광. 활동, 활동, 활동. Okay? 관심, 관심, 관심. Same. 화재, 화재, 화재. 환경. Bottom consonant here. 환경. 완성, 완성, 완성. Okay. This is combined with this one. plus E, right? So 의. It's very hard to pronounce. 희망, 희망, 희망. It sounds like as without this. So just 희망 like that. This is okay because it is too hard. So 희망, 희망, 희망. Normally we say it like this. 희망 with this vowel. 희망. This one where. So 퇴직, 퇴직, 퇴직. 문화, 화, 문화. How about this? O plus 에. So 오에. O plus 에. 왜. This is 왜. 왜 is why. 왜. Same. 외국. 외국. This one, remember? Yeah. This one. E plus 에. 예. 예절. 예절. This one. Same. 예술. 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 Okay. Next. This letter. It is U plus 에. U plus 에. So 우에. Waiter. 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 Right. Waiter. This one is combined. 얘기. 얘기. Okay. This is E plus 에. 얘기. 얘기. This is E plus this 에. This one. This 에. Okay. Different. But sound is same. Okay. Almost same. 예절. 얘기. 예술. 예. 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 Almost same. This one. 추위. 추위. 다람쥐. This is combined. 다람쥐. Okay. Same combined. 으 plus 이. Okay. 의지. 의지. This is 의지. 의지. It's like some diphthong in English, right? It's a combined vowel. Also almost same sound. Okay. So if you know the basic sound of each vowel, then you can pronounce combined vowel. But there is some exception, as you know, right? The sound is not combined, like in this one, a, and this one, a, and remember this one. These three vowels are single-sounded vowel, even though the shape is combined. This is the end of the combined vowel practice and today's lesson. Okay, if you like it, just subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.